Hello and welcome to Let's Have a Go. Thank you for joining me for another episode. We're going to try something a little different today, so let's dive right in. From previous videos, people have told me how much they enjoyed the relaxation that the videos caused. That wasn't intentional, but I'm very glad to hear that that is the case. So that got me thinking, maybe we could try something just a little different. And so in this episode, we're going to look at origami, but I'm not going to be doing any talking. I'm just going to do a video of all of the process and let you watch that through with the music in the background with written instructions on the video. So this is something that I want to try for lots of different other videos. Hopefully that will give the effect of relaxation even more. So sit back, relax, and let's have a go at origami.